Hi, this is Liz Hill, and I'm just going to quickly record our Chapter 8 quiz access. This is problem number 7. It says Diaz Company owns a machine that costs $126,100 and has an accumulated depreciation of $94,000. Prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine on January 1st in each separate situation. So we have 4 different situations. The first one here that we want to record on the journal entry worksheet is to record the disposal of the machine receiving nothing in return. What we want to do is select this accumulated depreciation of the machine and what that accumulated depreciation expense was, which was $94,000. The loss, which is the difference between the cost of the machine and what was depreciated, which $126,100 minus $94,000 is $32,100. So we'll say that the loss of the disposal of the machine, because we're going to lose it and we're not making a sale or anything on it, we're just disposing of it, is $32,100. And then we want to, so we'll debit those two amounts, and then for the machine, we want to credit the amount, the total cost that we paid for that machine, which is $126,100. After we press record entry, we want to come over here to recording the sale of the machine for $17,000 cash. So here we will receive cash, so we'll debit that amount, $17,000. We'll record the loss on the sale of the machine. So the difference still between the $126,100 and the $94,000 accumulated depreciation is still that $32,100. And if we just receive $17,000 of that, we want to subtract $17,000 from the $32,100, which will give us the loss on the sale of the machine of $15,100. So we'll first debit the cash, $17,000, then we'll debit the loss on the sale of the machine, $15,100. Then we'll debit the accumulated depreciation on the machine, $94,000, and then once again credit the machine expense account, which is $126,100. Record entry on that one. We come over to recording the sale, which is option number 3. Record the sale of the machine for $32,100 cash. And since this is just straight line across, what we know is the difference. There's no loss or gain on this. So we just cash $32,100, add the accumulated depreciation for the machine and debit that account as well, $94,000, and then again credit the machine account for $126,100. Each time notice that we are crediting the machine account. That happens on every single transaction because we are wanting to make sure we credit that account and then debiting out of these other accounts the differences of the sales or transactions. We record entry on that one, and then we come to number 4 option, which is selling the machine for $40,500 cash. This time we are making a profit. There is a gain on this, so we say cash $40,500, debited, accumulated depreciation of the machine $94,000. And then this time we do have a gain on the sale of the machine, which is $40,500 minus the $32,100. And that brings us to $8,400 to credit that account. And then the machine account, once again, $126,100. We record those entries. Paying attention again one last time that the first option is the disposal. Prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine for that first entry, and that's why it's the loss on the disposal of the machine. And remember that on the debited side, it will total the credit side. So each one, just a reminder that all of these amounts tallied together will equal what on the debited side will equal what is happening on the credited side. So that will help you to know if you're doing things in the right direction. I'm not so successful in this class, but I hope you guys are more successful in this class. I'm doing my best. But anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you. We're going to go ahead and check our work here. And we have made an entire complete and correct decision on that. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to succeeding in this class with you. Thank you. I hope you're having a good 4th of July weekend like I am. And we'll see you later. Bye.